Morning all, we're down at a property today in Stopfold, down by Sandy, Bedford Way. We're doing a steam clean on this property roof. There's not a massive amount of moss on there, it's starting to form around the edges of the tiles. The customers just want it cleaned up, so we're going to make it look brand new again. It's on quite a new estate really, so we're quite surprised to be getting called down here. But some people like their roofs clean and that's what we're here to do.
Common area. well noisy in there, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Why steam clean to scrape and treat? What's the difference?
Well, a steam clean will give you an instant result. So with a scrape and a treatment, when we do a scrape and treatment, we'll scrape about 90% of the moss off of the roof. Once we've done that, you've still got little bits and pieces of the moss left. We'll then treat that, and over the course of 12 months, it will eradicate the root system and it will kill off all the little bits of moss and clean the roof. An instant result, steam, obviously hot, is going to take away everything on the roof straight away.
Yeah. It
will remove all the little bits and pieces. The root system will be treated afterwards still, as we do with a scrape and treat. But it's just, wow, look at me, instant result, curb appeal, wow factor.
Struggle then. Just filming me struggle. Get out of the way. Cleaning all soffits and fascias.
How's your day going? All right?
Yeah, good.
Yeah. Looking forward to the weekend?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, it's Halloween today. Happy Halloween. Yeah.
Not even think about it because we ain't got any of the kids, so I'm not going trick or treating.
Happy Halloween. You watch after today, Christmas songs will be on the radio.
Missed a bit.
Got trained by you, so...
What, to clean windows? No, you never.
Yeah, I do.
I never taught you how to clean windows.
Yeah, a lot of times you say, missed a bit, do it like this, do this.
You just missed the whole corner of that window then.
Yeah, I know. Did it on purpose to annoy you.